Hey fashion lovers, welcome to the Fashion Try-On. If you want to support our channel, please be sure to like and subscribe. Today we're unboxing and trying on the Canada Goose Arctic Down Gloves in black. Now these gloves come in a size small, medium, and large, and we ended up going with the medium. I actually purchased them for my husband, but I tried them on and they fit so well for me as well. So I'm not sure that I would have sized down even given the opportunity. All right, taking a look at the packaging, this is how they come when they are brand new. And digging in here a little bit, we'll get a greater glimpse of the formal packaging. So even if they are, on a shelf, you'll see if they are new or not. As with all Canada Goose items, I do feel like they came very well preserved. And upon first glimpse of the product, they do feel like a very sturdy, very heavy duty product. I definitely thought that these looked a little bit more lightweight while I looked at them online, but seeing them in person, they definitely have more of a Hulk kind of feel. You're definitely not going to be cold when you're using these. They are called the Arctic Down Gloves, so anchoring around the Arctic sense, they really are going to keep you warm, and I'll show you all of those features here shortly. Now the style number on the tag says it's 5159M, in case that's helpful. And they do claim that they are fully waterproof, down insulated gloves, which I can definitely attest to. I really did feel the power of that warmth. The additional features that they boast are that it is 600 fill power white goose down, which is the material. So you do understand that they are going to keep you very warm, especially on those coldest of days. Maybe you're shoveling, maybe you're hiking. The additional features are that they are durable outer shell, again, that they will repel moisture, so they're waterproof, but they are breathable, and they have an inner breathable glove insert, which feels very velvety, and I will try to show you that inside. Additionally, they are made of a durable polyurethane grip at the palm, which reinforces those really high abrasion areas. So if you are, climbing, if you are moving things, if you're trying to grip a shovel or something, those are the areas that are going to get worn out the first. So it really does protect against that wear. Finally, they do have really long fleece inner cuffs that are intended to lock out the cold, and I will attest that they are just very soft, luxurious, and insulating feeling. So there you have it. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe.